Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can download free themes, wallpapers and also icons to customize your A17. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So pull down the notification panel, go into the settings, and here at the top, you will see Samsung account. So just go ahead and select the option and sign up and create a Samsung account, because you will need one to access the Galaxy theme store where you can download the free themes, icons and wallpapers. So it only takes a few minutes. It's free of cost. So like I said, just sign up and create a Samsung account and then just follow my next steps. So once the account is set up, just scroll down within the settings, scroll down to where it says themes. And here you'll see themes, wallpapers, icons. Go ahead and select the option. And now it will bring you into the Galaxy theme store, as you can see. Okay, so down here you will see themes. So to get the free themes, just simply tap on this option here, top. And then here where it says all, just tap on the little tab there. And you'll see two options, paid or free. So select the free tab. And now you will see a long list of free themes. So some of these themes were once paid themes, but now you can see they're all free. And it was quite expensive, to be honest. This one was £1.85. This one was £1.84. So like I said, there's loads to choose from. Thousands. And they're all free. Okay, so if you want to download one, I'll just show you just in case you don't know how to download a theme. So for example, if I want to download this theme, I would simply tap on it, and then down here, I would select download. And once it's finished downloading, just go ahead and select apply and give it a few seconds. It will then begin to apply the theme. Okay, so as you can see, the theme has been applied. And I must say it's a pretty cool theme. Okay, another way to access the theme store is to long press on the home screen. And then down here you will see themes. Go ahead and select it, and it should then bring you straight back into the Galaxy theme store, as you can see. And if you want to download another theme, just select top again, and then select all, select free, and you can choose another theme to download. Then just tap on it, wait for it to download, and then hit apply. Okay, so let me just go back into the theme store. So remember, just long press on the home screen, select themes, and it's pretty much a shortcut to bring you back into the theme store. And all your new downloaded themes will be found here if you select menu, my stuff, all your new themes will be found here. Also, your wallpapers, any wallpapers you download, this is where you will find it. Same with the icons. Everything will be found here within My Stuff. Okay, so beside themes down here, we have wallpapers. And once again, if you select top, then select this little all tab here. We'll get two options, paid or free. If you select free, it will bring up all the free wallpapers. And once again, there's thousands to choose from. And as you can see, all the wallpapers are free. So just choose any wallpaper you want to download and select download and then apply. And you get the option to apply it to the lock screen or the home screen. So if you want it to just be applied to the home screen, you would uncheck the lock screen box, and vice versa. If you want it to just be applied to the lock screen, you would tick the lock screen box and uncheck the home screen box, and then hit next, and then apply. Hit done. So now it should have been applied to the lock screen. So there it is. Okay, so let me just go back into the theme store. And then down here we have icons. And once again, select top, select the all tab and select free. And you will see all the free icons that you can download for free. So let's say I want to download these icons. I would simply tap on it, select download, and then apply. And now it's beginning to apply the icons. Okay, one last thing I'm going to show you all. So if you go back into themes and you want to delete any themes, just go into menu, My Stuff, and then select your default theme, hit apply, and then it will reapply the default theme. And then what you have to do to delete any themes that you want to delete, just long press on the home screen, go into themes, go to menu, then go back to My Stuff, and then from here, just long press on the themes that you want to delete and select delete. And as you can see, both themes have now been deleted. And that's the same with the wallpapers that you might have downloaded. You would just simply long press on it. And then just hit delete all. And it's the same with any icons as well. Just long press on it and delete all. So I think I've pretty much covered everything. So yeah, that's how you download free themes, wallpapers and icons to customize your Samsung Galaxy A17. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.